Obviously, regarding sound and pretty much every other thing else, the Zealot ZE21 would be way more better compared to the Zealot S78. But in this video, we want to hear how much difference, how louder, how crazy is the bass, how crazy is the difference between both speakers regarding sound. And if you're still stuck with the Zealot S78, how much are you missing, comparing it to the newer speakers from Zealot? The S78 is an old speaker from Zealot, not too old, but comparing it to the ZE21 is definitely older. In this video, we're actually going to be comparing both speakers in an outdoor environment. Let's see, which one can handle that open space better. We're going to be comparing both speakers on different volume with different beats and different EQ modes. So if you're coming from an older Zealot speaker, is it actually necessary for you to upgrade, regarding sound and pretty much some other good qualities? Is it actually really important for you to upgrade? With this video, we're going to find out. And these are the buttons you find on both speakers. The buttons are pretty similar and the ports on both speakers are also similar. Both speakers came with a strap and also has an handle, which is a great one. The Zealot S78 right here is more portable compared to the ZE21. The ZE21 is the monster comparing it to the S78. So how will a monster, how will a small speaker, the S78, compare to a monster, the ZE21? Is the difference that massive in an open space? Where in this video we're going to find out. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know your opinion regarding the sound comparison we're about to do. Let both speakers speak for themselves. 50% volume, Zealot ZE21, normal EQ. Let's go. Right now, both speakers are on vocal boost EQ. We're going to be starting with the ZE21 mass volume. Let's go. for speakers on bass EQ, we're starting with the ZE21 max volume. Let's go.